Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, yeah. I will show you. Yeah. What is this? What you are saying? Somebody can
Sir,
read
mail
out
ID.
any one of the person mail
Sir,
ID.
resume.
What is
Gmail
what
ID.
what you what do you find a issue in this mail?
Sir, it is in Word format.
Word format. Okay. Any other comments apart
There's
from you?
no
Anybody
subject,
want
sir.
to say?
There's no
There
subject,
is
sir.
no subject. Wonderful. And that is one point. Anybody can write down. We will list it out all the things which are the faults in the CV. Okay. One is no subject is there, and then what else?
There's no body, sir. Anything like attachment or like the please find the attachment or anything.
Attach, attachment is there. There is no supporting email. You can say email is not there. Just they have attached and they say, see, these are student CVs. Yes, of course, the students do mistakes, but mistakes only we will correct you. Okay, of course, don't be offensive. Some of the people are there in the name list. You are seeing your things. Yes, of course, it is for your course correction only. The program is for your course correction only. What are the general mistakes are done by the people, and why you are not receiving the calls from the employer? That I am going to explain you. Okay, here one you only find out. I am not. Finding any mistake. I am not telling the mistakes, and you are finding out. One is you told no subject. Subject is not mentioned. Next one is there is no mail at all. Body of the mail is not there, or enclosing subject or enclosing letter is not there. What are the other things? You can go through this, and what are the important things there? Plus is there, minus is there. You can tell.
Sir, photo.
Photo is not there. Of course, this is one of the important point. Photo should be must. Okay. And
Sir, I
then,
think there is an alignment problems.
yeah, of course, your CV should have proper alignment. In this CV, if you see, alignments are not there. And somewhere they have used capital letters, somewhere they used mixed, and somewhere they have used only small letters. You can see. Yes or no? The alignment also it
Yes,
should be
sir.
centered, uniform, centered. It should be, and here you can see there is a mix of letters. Here you can see capital letters. This is mixed. This is mixed, and your photo is missing. Okay, photo is not there. Your LinkedIn profile is there. That is appreciated. Phone number is there. Appreciated. Email ID is there. Appreciated. Okay, is this person is available in your in today's session? Can I know? Eleverson, are you there? If you are there, tell yes. Otherwise, no. Yeah, good thing. Who is there in the name list? I could not able to see. Who is there? Anyone just speak?
No, sir, he's not there.
Okay, he is not there. Okay, can you try this number? This number is working or not? Can we check? 99431. Just dial any one person you dial this number. Whatever
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
communicate. 99431. Any one person you dial.
Yes, sir.
Who is going to dial?
Sir, me, I'm doing.
Wonderful. 99431 45436. Just tell him, boss, I am calling from CMTA. You are supposed to attend the class. You are not attending. That's it. Are you busy? Like that, just ask. Otherwise, I will send a link. You can attend. Like that, you can tell. You put it in loudspeaker. We want to hear.
Yes, sir. So he's not picking, sir.
Wonderful. Yeah, you drop it. See, this is one of the mistake what we are doing. Employers will try once only. Okay. If you are not picking the call again and again, they will not call you. The number which you have given, it should be accessible to you. That to morning 11 o'clock, if you are not able to pick the call, let us see where at what time he is calling back. If he is calling back, then it is good for him. If he is not calling back, then he lost his opportunity. Okay, this happens. A lot of HR people, they say, sir, the number given is not reachable or not available. Someone has given their mother's number or someone's uncle's number or somebody's number, but they could not able to answer the call. So this is happening in the HR. So most of the HRs, they will try once only. If you are not attentive, then otherwise if you have to call back and you have to see. And a profile summary, here what are the things you observe, it should be mentioned. Anyone? Excuse me, I want this to be interactive.
Sir, he didn't mention the website or any link of that Fab Modula
Yes,
interiors.
exactly. See, worked in Fab Modeler Interiors as a intern, how many months you have worked? Intern can be 1 month or 2 months or 6 months or 9 months. If you are keen on your work, you will mention all the perfect information. Otherwise, they think that somebody may be in the same group who are attending, some people may be thinking, here he may be attended 1 month, somebody may be attended thinking he may be attended 6 months or 12 months. Okay, so duration you have to mention. And worked as site engineer in Sai Construction. Which one is first, which is second, we don't know. Okay, whether he is working or not working, that is also we don't know until unless he say. And the sales experience and good communication skills. Experience in working as a team. These are his qualities he is mentioned there. Completed business English certification course in these are the things what he is projecting, and the basics of Primavera he knows, all these things he knows. Presented a topic on smart city, what are the paper presentations he has done, he has mentioned. And industrial visit, Ramalingam Construction, Bangalore. See here, you have to, if you are mentioning something, it should be relevant. See, CV is one of your passport, you can say. It is an important document. Industrial visit, where you went, which project you went, they will be interested. Ramalingam Construction, it is a office. Is it a smart city project or a residential project or a commercial project? You have to mention. Now, some people may say, I went to a dam project which is under construction, or a highway project, it is under construction. Like this, we have to be in detailed and precise. Here, those details I see it is missing. Okay, and a second also, it is not mentioned where, what is this? Okay, and site visit, a site visit to Homeland Interior, water treatment process at Lakshmi. Yeah, these both can be same only. And the conferences and the seminars, workshop, training and attended. What are the trainings, conferences attended? And you mentioned the speaker, who is the person, who has done this one, your program. And spelling mistakes should not be there. If you see here, example I am showing, PhD Institute of Technology, it should be there, or Institute of Technology. In Word, if you see, there are spell check options are available. If you enable that, that itself say where the spellings are correct and wrong. Have you not enabled? You project yourself as a very good English. You have very good business English. Business, you just see the spelling. Is it right? Business? Anybody check? Is the business spelling is right? Huh?
It's wrong, sir. BUSYNESS, sir.
If the opposite person seeing your CV,
Screen is not there.
he straight away have strong reasons to reject the CV. He may call or he may not call after seeing this. Don't worry about the person. Person may be X, Y, Z. You tell me. If you are in that position, will you accept this CV? You command yourself as a very good English certification course you have did, and you don't know what is the business spelling. And if you take here, see if it is a one mistake or two mistake, people may think okay, it's okay, it's done. Here, if you see MS Office Word, what is this? You can read, anyone can read. What is this?
Sir, can you please share the screen?
It is not visible.
No, sir.
Others, please.
It's visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
He has not, the person who is there, he has to pin my screen. Then only my presentation will be visible to you. You can go to the name list and you go and pin the screen. It will be visible to you. Okay.
Yeah, it's coming, sir.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have to log off and log in. Okay. And is this correct? What is this? What I am highlighting, that is correct or not?
Wrong, sir.
What is it written?
I think it should be power presentation.
Yes, PowerPoint presentation.
PowerPoint presentation or yeah, what it has written? This is. Can anyone can read?
No, sir.
We can't able to understand. The person who is going to see this CV, he may not be a technical person also. He may be HR person. By say, he may be, this guy may be very good in technical, but he himself says I am very good in business English and all. But here you can see these kind of a mistakes straight away. It will not go to the technical team itself. There is a 3-step procedure there. One is your junior person who is there, he will read your CV. Then only he will forward to the technical team. If he forwards whatever he is coming, a person may be receiving 1,000 CVs, all the CVs going to technical team. The technical team will spit on the HR. He will tell you first filter the CVs. Yes or no? They will say or not?
Yes, sir.
They will say that you send me good CVs only. After your CV only, whether you have to be called for the interview or not, the technical person tells, yeah, if your 10 CVs are forwarded to the technical team by the HR person, he will select 5 CVs or 6 CVs or 3 CVs, or he may reject all the 10 also. He will tell you bring fresh CVs, means other CVs, new CVs. This I don't want. It is happening in all the companies. Without an interview, whether you will be qualified for the job, you will get job without interview. If
No,
it is
sir.
a known,
No, sir, we can't.
if it is a known company also, they will ask you whose reference you are. Give me your work profile or your profile. They will ask or not. Your credential they are asking, na?
Yes, sir.
Your mark sheets and all, they at least if they are, they may say yes, you are appointed tomorrow, you can come for the job. While coming, you bring your mark sheets. They will say or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is important. If you are entering a corporate life or a professional life, CV is very much important. Lot of people are not giving attention to their CV, and they think that companies are not doing well, industry is not doing well, and market is not doing good, economy is not doing good. All this thing they will think, and they will not correct themselves. Why my CV is rejected? Because they will, the HR will don't have time to review and tell that, like me, they don't have time to. Here I am coaching, for that I am getting paid. The HR is not getting paid. For if 1,000 CVs are coming, he will select the good CVs only. Rest he can't call. See, the person who has submitted the CV is not even called again. You have tried, no? No? HR will call you again and again to tell that you have done mistakes in your CV. He will not call. He will simply dump in rejection bin. There is a folder called rejection. There he will put over there. So we have to be very much see what give good importance for your CV. And if you see conference, seminars, workshops, training attended, yes, nicely mentioned here. And here again, there is a typing, formatting error is there. This has to be properly done. Okay. Here, and Bengaluru, if you see so many places, so many spellings are there. Bangalore. If you see here, Bangaluru, and somewhere I have seen some other spelling. One, two. One more place I saw something else. So here also, if you see PSG, Institute of Technology, or Institute of Technology, this is not correct. So projects completed, yeah, of course he is mentioning about his mini projects, and other credentials is mentioning he is the chairman of Indian Geotechnical Society of what? Students chapter or the chapter itself? Okay, the student level you will be having at college level chapter. Na? Here it is a wrong projection. Because each states will have a chapter, each city will be having a chapter. At what level you are? You are the chairman of IGS. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir. He should have mentioned.
Is it correct? He should have mentioned I am the student chapter chairman for this particular society. Okay. So like this, these errors to be eliminated. And the languages, whatever he has known, he has mentioned nicely. And the contact number he has given. And the hobbies also he has given. And the reference he has given. And place and his name, it is nicely given. And good. You identified what are the issues in this particular CV. We will see some other CV also. This is good.
Yes,
what are the things good you are seeing? He has mentioned, this is Arvind. I have done my MTech. I have 10 months experience. As a CMD, as a site engineer, I came through Mr. Rafi and Ashok Kumar. And Ashok Kumar, there is a requirement of a quantity surveying position. I am interested. I have attached reference. See, when you are writing someone, you don't know about the people, you have to mention Mr. Rafi is not your junior or something. No, you don't know about him means you have to mention. Okay. What he has done, he has nicely mentioned photo. If it is there, it is appreciated. Here, photo is not there, then it is not appreciated. Okay, photo should be there. And his LinkedIn ID is missing. It should be there. In any CV, LinkedIn ID, the contact number is there, email is there, and where he is from, that he has mentioned. See, any of the pin code will have in India 6 digits. Here you can find out how many digits are there. How many digits are there? 7. These are common mistakes. Any small kid also, he knows what is the pin code, how many digits are there and all. This is wrong. This is wrong. Nobody have patience. If the earlier days they used to send by courier or by mail any communication. If they refer this document, they will say it is not getting reflected. And his qualification he has mentioned. All these things good, not an issue. He has mentioned. And skill test. What is the skill test? I'm not getting what it can be. Software proficiency he can write or skill test. Which one will be good? Skill sets or skill test? Which one is correct?
Skill set.
Skills.
Skill sets, na? Or software proficiency. He can mention. See, here also I would suggest if you are a beginner, you can write you are a beginner. If you are in a medium level person or you are expert, all these three you can make a tabulation and you can do it. Lot of people, 2 days before also someone has attended the interview. I asked, can you make a drawing? She told, she came to our office and from 60 kilometers she traveled and all. And I told, can you make a drawing? You are good in AutoCAD? She told, yes sir, I am very much good in AutoCAD. Then I asked to make a drawing. Small drawing, yeah, house drawing, small drawing. I asked. She told, no sir, I have studied in my class only. That syllabus is different, this syllabus is different. Then with your syllabus I am going to give the work, or Based on the work, you will modify yourself, I asked. In projects, they will give the drawings or they will ask you to prepare the drawings. Will you tell like that? No, sir, in my syllabus it is not there. If you have mentioned in your CV that you are a beginner, they will not question you much. If you claim that I know everything, they will ask. In which level? If you are good in something, you project. I am very good in PowerPoint presentation. I am very good in Word. I am very good in Excel. All these things you can do it. Here he has mentioned Costex. Yes, this is advanced software. At what level you are on this software? You have to mention this one. The heading you have to change, and these things you have to be tabulated. Beginner, then proficient, and mid-level. Like this you have to mention. And if you say next is area of interest, this has to be changed. Okay. Here he has mentioned all this in interest. In which company you are going to work, accordingly, if you apply, you will get a job. If a company is doing a residential building, but in your interest you are not at all mentioned quantity residential building, will they give you job? And he has applied for quantity survey here. You can see. What is this? Quantity surveyor. In this, see what he has mentioned. Quantity survey, at which position it is there in his interest. Can anyone say? Had he given the importance?
At last, sir.
Yeah. Had he given the importance for quantity survey?
No.
No, sir.
No. Had he given the importance for his Costex in first, because Costex is used for quantity survey, and he is projecting him first as a project. MS project means project planning. People who are looking in quantity survey perspective, the person, he will look for Costex and he will look for Excel or the PowerPoint and the Word. These are the things, CAD. All these three is required. It has to be first, second and third. This one should be last. You may be having so many skill sets, but you have to change according to the location, according to the position, which position you are applying. Just you are sending everyone WhatsApp to unknown people, sending CV, it will not work. You have to sit for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. According to the opening, you have to fine tune each time and then send. Okay, that is the point I want to say. Under the project, he has mentioned what are the projects he has mentioned, and whatever here in your CV, most of the questions will be from your CV only. So if you are mentioning all these things, first you mention you are a quantity surveyor. Now you first mention this one. Sir, I have done a estimation plus G of G to G plus 2 building to examine the estimation, billing, and scheduling of G plus using MS project. In MS project, you can't do the estimation. You can do the scheduling only, and that you have to properly mention. They will ask this question. If I am an interviewer, I will ask, "Arey boss, you are mentioning to examine the estimation and the billing, scheduling of using MS project. MS project is used for estimation or not?" No, we can't use it. Is only for scheduling. So he will be banged here only. Okay. So you have to be careful. Whatever you are writing, that should be exactly matching with the requirements. And the professional experience working as a site engineer at CMDA. Which project? CMDA is a authority who approves the plan. Example, since I am having plenty of experience, I can immediately catch up what he is mentioning. CMDA is Central Chennai Municipal Development Authority. Like that, it is our approval body. Which project you have worked? What is the spelling for January? And till now, okay, till now fine. What is your role and responsibility as a site engineer? What you are doing there? Which project you are handling? Whether you are in office or in a site engineer means law in site. Also, a lot of positions are there. Planning is there, quantity survey is there, quality is there, and the client consultant roles are there. Lot many things are there. Which position, which project, where you are working? No, nothing is there. What is the project about? That is also not mentioned. Okay, and before January, what you were doing? 2020, you passed out this thing, and what is the difference time? What you have done that you have to mention. Okay, these are the things I look for. And industrial visit and undergone 6 day survey camp in Kodaikanal. Okay, fine. Undergone 7 days internship program at Madhavaram Mafsal bus terminal at Madhavaram. Okay, undergone 15. What is your key learnings? You have to mention here. Sir, in these 7 days, I learned about the site works, or I learned about project planning. I learned about the quantity survey and estimation. Like this, you have to be specific. Here in this particular project, I learned about the quality control or scope management. Those things you have to mention. And here, personal traits he has mentioned very good, and both personal trait only. And the date of birth he has mentioned, father name, mother's name, languages note, whether he is having PAN card, whether he is having passport, whether he is having driving license. All these three is mandatory to be mentioned in your CV. The company may give you vehicle. They may be asking you whether you have license. Yes, sir, I will go and get my license. On that time, some other guy will take your job. Lot of companies they are giving vehicles to the engineers. Whether you have two-wheeler license or four-wheeler license, passport you have, PAN card, because companies are giving payments for through bank only. Whether you have a bank account, whether you have PAN card is
Sir,
mandatory.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
whether we have put like a PAN card, yes, like or PAN
Yes,
card
you have
number
to
we have to
mention
give.
your PAN card mention you mention, passport validity you mention, driving license validity you mention.
What
All self
driving license number we can mention
yeah,
also like that.
yeah, you can mention. And here, whether two-wheeler or four-wheeler, that also you mention. And declaration, you tell, sir, I am from Trichy. I am ready to work only in Tamil Nadu. I am ready to work only in Trichy. I am ready to work only in Bangalore. I am ready to work in anywhere in South India. I am ready to work anywhere in India. Like that, you have to mention, declare. Otherwise, you will not get call. I am ready to relocate to Bangalore. If you are applying a job in Bangalore, you mention them. Say presently I am in this location. I am ready to relocate if I have given the assignment. Otherwise, they will look for the local candidates.
Okay.
Maybe the person who is hiring from Chennai, he maybe look for only Chennai candidates. If you are sitting near Hosur, he may they think that you are far away. Why I should call him? Okay, I came to the notice in your body of the mail itself. You mention, like, I understand there is a requirement from your company. I know your company from the social media, and all you are doing a great work. I want to be a part of your team. I am enclosing the CV for your perusal. Kindly go through the CV and let me know for an interaction. Okay, like that you have to write a nice mail. You have to mention. Okay, and if you have any strong credentials, you have to mention there. So these are the few mails, and how we are sending, why companies are coming to us. You can see. See, our dear sir, please find include CVs for site engineer profile. These are the candidates who will come to your office tomorrow for an interview. Kindly let us know the shortlisted candidates. Please ignore the previous mail. In previous mail, there may be some changes or some additions or something may be there. All the candidates CV are available, and the summary, they will just see the summary. If they are interested, then they will see your CV. What is mentioned, name of the candidate, where it is, how much experience he is having, where is his native location, and where is current location, and suitable for, and the proposed location where he is going to work, and where this they have to fill up the proposed interview date and a job readiness. You have to see when somebody may be joining after 3 months. The final year students who are awaiting for the job, he may be. 3 months waiting for his final year results. He may tell, sir, after June 2020 only I will available. 2021 only I will be available. Like that. And his mobile ID, mobile number, and the email ID. Like this we are sending, and they are picking from this credentials only. Yeah, this many people are there now. This location, yeah, Mysore is nearby. His native location is Mysore, and site location is also nearby. We will pick this guy for the interview. This is very near. Like this, they will see. Oh, this Bellary, it is very far away. Instead, I will try a candidate from Bangalore. Ultimately, in this 11 candidates, this candidate already joined. He is working. Because companies, before sending the CVs, our HR team, they sit and they counsel with the people, and they understand, they project the requirements. So companies are again and again coming to us. We are not charging any company. We are just helping them with the candidates. You can see this Bimraya already selected. He is working now in this company. Here the photo is not there. So a lot of things which needs to be updated. You have to see. Lot of CVs are there here. You can find out. Marital status also you can mention. Alignment mistakes. You can see most of the CVs are these kind of mistakes you can find out. There are good CVs, of course, available, but very less. No picture, nothing. It's hardly one page. Yeah, it is there. 2 pages it is there. So these are the few CVs what we are sending. And who is this? Kishore, are you there here? This is your CV, your mail ID.
No, sir, this is not my.
See, this is one of the major mistakes what the people. This guy may be thinking I have already sent a CV some to the company, but he has not mentioned anything, no subject, no attachment, nothing. And he may be telling to the friends, I have applied for this company, and the company has not called me. Why? How they will call you? This is one of the girl who has mentioned, I am Usha. I have attended the drive at Quansis as the company was far away from our locality, so I am not capable to travel. Thank you. These kind of mails companies will not be appreciating. See, the subject should be proper. Good afternoon. After attending, see, before attending only, you know where is the company. After what happened, nearly the companies are frustrated. This girl has taken the offer. After then, she is mentioning the company is far away. The company shifted from one location to another location after your interview. No, no, they have not shifted the location. You know about the company. You know where it is located. Others' chance also getting affected. You have to be clear whether I am going to, if they are offering, I am going to take or not. You do your research before applying only. After you are taking the offer, if you are not joining, this is not only affecting your time, everyone's time is wasted. I am not able to, capable of travel or able to travel. Bad English. Everyone will message. If some posting is done, immediately people will start messaging. Sir, I wanted to apply. You apply na. Who is stopping you? I have done QS. Same. Before going to the company, I have done QS training under CMTI. A nicely prepared eye-catchy resume, but no body of the subject, nothing. Which company she has applied, no details. This is one of the good. After joining the company, they say, "Hello, ma'am. Hope you are doing well. I have accepted the offer from Fabmodel. I have joined the company." This is a joining mail. Nicely as mentioned. This is the difference. Why your friend is getting job, why you are not getting the job. The same some other person, he has mentioned about I have joined this date and this is my joining date. Immediately he has updated his signature also. Site engineer, Fab modeler. This is my number. So you have to take importance of the thing what I am showing to you, and I will show you a good CV also. Nothing. What is this? Manu GM, Manu GM. What is it? I don't know what to do with this email. See how many mails we are receiving in a day in the day out. Lot of mails we are receiving. How we will reply? He has mentioned I have joined this company. Okay, I will show you on the other CV also. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. What is visible to you
Black, sir. Fully
now?
black.
Blank.
Now, these days we are sending a video CV. Last 3 years before onwards, we started about if freshers are ignored by the companies, we are sending the video CV in WhatsApp or by mail. They are watching on their free time. The people who are going to hire, they are watching your video talk or about something what you are speaking. On that itself enough for them to understand about you. A 5 or 10 minutes about you, if you present a video format, that will be very nice. You can watch the video series in our YouTube channel. I will show you. Earlier, also a lot of students from various places they have done their video CV. After then, where we sent. So see, outstation and all you can't travel. Earlier also, earlier at least there is no issue for travel. But we given the video CVs to the employers, they have accepted that one. So this one paper CV I will show you. Here the name is mentioned, email ID is there, mobile is there, LinkedIn ID is there. LinkedIn hyperlink. Everyone should. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, everyone should have a proper LinkedIn ID. On that, if you mention all these things, means you can. LinkedIn is a separate class. I will take you little later, or I will share you a video you can watch. Your traits about you have to mention and what is your profile and the people, and you have to follow the this thing also. The people who are working, the kind construction industry. If you follow them, you can understand. So a lot of things are there, and you can create your LinkedIn. I will share the video about the LinkedIn. It is a professional network where you can connect with the employers, you can connect with the professionals in the construction industry also. Okay, so all the people should have on LinkedIn ID. Must should be included in your CV, and you should be active in LinkedIn also. Here career objective you have to mention. Here you see alignment is good here. Hello, are you seeing the
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Alignment, sir.
Alignment is good, na? And the font also is legible. And he has mentioned Worked as an intern in quality control department. How many days? It is mentioned. Working as a planning engineer in this construction. He has mentioned from which day to which day. And what is his project details? He has mentioned, which I was mentioning in earlier the CV. Somebody is having experience, but he is not projecting, means he is doing injustice for him. Here in these 45 days also, what he has worked, he has clearly mentioned. And his role and responsibility in the project, what is the scope and what is his role and responsibilities. And here present job, what he is doing, what are the project details, what is his role and what is the duration and description, and what is his day-to-day activities in this project he has mentioned in this company. And his internship and conferences, whatever he has done, about he has mentioned. If you see here, he has mentioned the project and what he has done in the internship. He has clearly mentioned. I learned about execution work, quantity estimation, bar bending schedule. I will say that, I will bet that the person who has given the CV, the earlier person, compared to that CV, this CV I will prefer if I am an employer. You should not write a story. You should have the technical details. Here he has mentioned clearly site execution work, quantity estimation, bar bending schedule. I was given the responsibility. I have done it. Okay. And other internship. And what are the conferences he has attended? Attended international annual flagship event at HICC Hyderabad, date and the event name he has mentioned. And academic project. What he has done, the academic project. He has mentioned software skills. AutoCAD, MS Office. Here also I wanted to mention in a beginner level, medium level, or proficient or expert. All the three, if you mention, it will be very good. And co-curricular activities. Apart from your regular activities, what are the co-curricular? A lot of people are looking forward the people who has very good co-curricular activities, because they have lot of organizing skills. Okay, in construction industry, organizing skills is must. So you have to project yourself. You might be done a lot of co-curricular things, but if you are not projecting, they may not be seeing you. After this step, once your CV is shortlisted by HR and technical, then only they will call for the interview. Okay, so for calling them, you have to mention all this information. And the ideal CV should be 3 to 4 pages. That's it. 3 pages enough. 3 to 4. Personal strength. What is his personal strength? He has mentioned language. What here he can easily, people can understand. People are writing English, Kannada, Hindi. He will write. After then the interviewer will ask something to type in Kannada. He will say, no, sir, I can speak Kannada, but I can't write Kannada. I can speak Hindi, I can't write Hindi. So it should be clarity. Here he has mentioned in tabulation itself. Yes, I can speak, I can write, I can read. And his personal details. If you see here, all these personal details he has mentioned. Here he has not mentioned about the passport and driving license. That also to be mentioned. Here, any CV should have one permanent address, one communication address. He has clearly mentioned. Here, my present address is, he is from different district, but he is in Bangalore. So he is projecting himself as a local here, present address. People think that if you are in Bidar or Gulbarga, they will say that bye-bye, I don't want 300 or 400 kilometers to call that candidate to Bangalore and conduct an interview. You mention your local address. If you are in Bangalore, if you are from that particular place, but searching the job in Bangalore, means mention the present address. Mother's name, the permanent address details, and reference, strong reference. If you mention, they will be happy. And it gives them confidence also. They can call and check also. A lot of people, they take this reference as an identification. They know about the people. They will immediately call, sir, yes sir, tell me sir, how this candidate, he will be good or not. He will call. Where he has done the internship, he has collected the project manager number. He has mentioned here. The prospective hirer, he will call and check. If you want to hire, how is Yashash sir, can you tell me? Otherwise, he may be knowing these people. And a declaration. I hereby declare above information is true and correct. declare that I am ready to work pan India to execute my responsibility. Tomorrow, if he gets a job at Calcutta, he will not deny because he has given the declaration and he is sending. So these are the qualities of good CV, and you can. And there are 2 YouTube channels available. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you are seeing?
YouTube homepage.
Hello. YouTube. Yeah. If you go to CMTA Connect Institute, a lot of people spoke to the employers. Before getting the employment, they spoke about what is their learnings, what is the skill sets and all. You can watch the videos. A lot of people are hired, are called for the interviews after watching their videos. You can make your own video. If you see, there are in a lot of session also, one person from Hyderabad, he called me, sir, CV is not, you are not shared the CV. I told I am in a session, I will get back to you. He is asking from Bangalore. Why he is contacting Bangalore? Because one of my students who is working there, he is doing good work. So he wanted similar students from our institution. So they keep on here. A lot of videos available. Students' videos are available, and videos also available. You can watch and you can make your own video. You can send them instead of by sending the email. You can mention a link. Sir, this is my learning video. This is about myself. You can, if time permits, kindly watch my video CV also. You mention, they will give some attention. Okay, you can't travel, no? That gives an attention. May send your normal CV on that mail itself. You mention that you watch. Okay, that you can do it. Anything else? Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
Hello. Yeah. I will stop my video also so that I will get proper net. Yeah. Any questions from the audience? Say yes or no. Can I read the name? I don't want to read the names and all here. You people be honest to yourself. You paid the fees and you are learning. If your instructor is asking something, if you keep quiet, then we understand that you are not or interested in the subject.
Sir, I am clear, sir.
You are clear. Okay, Kishore. Yeah, good. What about others? Because in online we can't say that Asha Upin is listening to this session, or she just switched on the phone and somewhere she is sitting. I can't judge. Like that, a lot many people are there. You have to be interactive. If you are not interactive, I can't ask your name 10 times, and because I have other work also. You also have other works.
Sir, after
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I've just done my CV, sir. But after seeing this video, I just noted all the points, and I just need to correct a few things in my CV, sir. That's what, sir. I am clear in understanding.
Yes, sir,
Sir, I
audible.
lost my connection.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Audible,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
Yeah. What about that? Akash? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Asha?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, wonderful. Darshan? Darshan?
Some mistakes are there in my CV. I will correct it, sir.
Pardon me? I'm not able to get him. Mulready? Okay, I'm closing the session. If you have any doubts, you can call me. You can ask me, sorry. Any doubts
Yes,
now?
sir. No, sir.
No,
Actually,
sir.
I've done my CV, but after seeing this session, I just got a few points to be corrected in my CV. So I'll just do it, sir. If any clarifications or doubt, I'll just.
Can I summarize what you have done today? See, one is about your mail. You should have proper email
Yes, sir.
communication and the
Email communication subject
covering
should be
letter.
there.
Yeah,
Covering letter, and after opening the CV, the first preference is like photo and LinkedIn profile.
yeah.
Then proceeding on that, we just need to check the spell check for the entire
Yeah,
CV.
formatting should be very good.
Yes, sir. Spell check and formatting. And the next point is like whatever the CV we are going to apply, according to the interview, we have to fine tune and send it.
Wonderful, wonderful. Happy. Next.
Then the final thing is like the projection of CV and the alignment should
Whatever
be
you have done the work, it has to be properly projected. Whatever you are not
projected.
done, you don't project it. I have shown you the good CVs also. I have shown you the bad examples
Bad
also.
series. Yes, sir, I understand. And final thing is like a declaration. The whatever
Declaration,
declaration we
yes.
give, we promise we should behave on that. That is
Okay, okay, done. I will end the session. Thank you all. Any apart from Kishore, any other questions from others?
No, sir.
No, na? Nothing. See, if lot of people say that, sir, I am not getting job. Boss, if you are sitting in a remote location, but somebody is giving an internship or an opportunity to start with, you should say immediately take yes. You have to convince your parents. Somebody will not come and speak to your parents. Lot of people, because in interview they can't judge you, must judge you. Because half an hour in 1 hour interaction, it may not happen. Take the internship opportunities, work with them for 10 or 15 days, they will regularize. Lot of companies are hiring the interns, after then they are making them as a permanent employee. We have seen enough. A person from Kanyakumari, Vignesh, is there. He has joined the course 6 months back. He has been taken as an intern and he traveled from Kanyakumari to Bangalore and he has joined as an intern. Presently, ma'am is telling, no, they are planning to hire him. He is doing good work. There are some companies they provide a stipend also. Some of the companies they won't provide. Some companies they will provide you the conveyance. So adjust you instead of wasting your experience or sitting in your home and doing some other odd works, you can go into the industry. There is a lot of openings are available, lot of places people are looking forward, the interns, and you take the opportunity and you tell them, sir, I can first you approach for a regular work. No, if it is not working, you tell them, sir, give me 15 days chance. I will see that your works are delivered in proper time. If you don't like me, you can leave me. On that 15 days itself, you can find out, yes, this company is good, I can be here. Otherwise, after taking the appointment, if you leaving again, there is no chance for you to come again. Because lot of companies, they won't contact the candidates who are the interview is done within 6 months of the period or 1 year of the period. They will say that you already attended 2 months before, don't come again. They will say, if there is a opening also and you are matching with the requirements also, the HR policy says that the person who has interviewed by the company, example XYZ company, and he has failed the interview, next 6 months they will not call you, or next 1 year they will not call you. Because all your mobile numbers, email IDs, names, everything, machine learning is there. Most of the companies, they put it in search engine and they will check. When you attended the last interview, what was the result, everything, all the companies are in cloud platform. They will check your credentials. So be careful while attending the interviews, be selective. And if you like that industry, then do the internship and take the opportunities.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, once if I'm shortlisted and they just have a call, so they'll talk about the salary, how to handle that, sir. They're asking you have to
Yes,
experience how much.
yeah, very good question Kishore has asked. See, most of the companies they will just ask the your this thing input they will ask, and most of the companies they have standard states. Means their employees, existing employees, they will match. Means already one person is working in the company, or 10 people are working in the company in a similar level, similar role. They know what is industry standard. They will give according to that one. Okay, there will not be much change. And you tell them, sir, as per industry norms, you can tell me as a fresher, I want to start my career. That may not be a issue for me. You tell me, sir. Then if they keep on asking, then you tell anything reasonable salary, sir. As per my friends are getting this much salary. My same classmate is working in other company is getting this much salary. If it is okay, I am also having same skill set. I expect the same.
Okay, sir. I understand.
And for experienced people, I will say you don't think that yeah, 5 years experienced person, same your classmate, after 5 years, he may be or he may be getting below your salary or he may be getting above your salary, and his designations also will be different. Okay, you may be reporting to him or he may be reporting to you in some other company, because based on performance only the salary is fixed for the experienced people. You understand? After 10 years, the Kishore may be the MD and the Gavaskar may be his subordinate in some other company. The situation also will come. On the time, you can't claim that, sir, both worked in same company, both studied in same college only. Give me the same salary. They will not. That happens only in government. In private, they only performance. You may get 1 lakh rupee, he may get 50,000 rupees, or vice versa. Depends upon your. These are examples I am telling. Since you asked about the salaries.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Any other
Okay,
questions?
sir.
Can we wind up? Yeah, time is up. Okay. Thank you for
Okay,
all.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And update your CVs.
Thank you, sir.
Today's assignment is update your CV and then you post. And I will ask ma'am to share this CV in the groups. Okay. Sample I will project. Okay. Bye.